Hello guys, welcome back to Strands Vision's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you a big news, but it is really small new. It is the new Unity mini work light. Yeah, you hear me right? It's a mini work light. Do you even see it here? It is so tiny, but it's a massive power in such a small lamp. We have over 1000 lumen in these small lamps and it only consumes 10 watt. Wow! What we have done here is taking all our knowledge and put into a package to give you such an efficient lamp as possible to a minimal size. We have consumes only 10 watt and gives you over 1000 real lumen. It has a nice beam pattern, super wide and even, which is the trademark for the Unity family. You can easily mount it wherever you need it, where the space is limited. It fits a truck, a trailer, a tractor, light commercial vehicles. It is of course multi-volt, goes from 9 to 32 volt. Comes with a DT connector on for easy mounting. You have the brackets, everything you need inside the box. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed to see this new small mini work light that has the performance of a big light, over 1000 lumen, of course covered by Strands Vision's 3 years functional warranty. Please give us your comments, subscribe our YouTube channel, follow us on strandseurope.com or on our Instagram. Looking forward to meet you soon again.